pink is played in standard tuning with a capo on the first fret. For the chords for the verse we have C, going to an F, back to a C, this repeats, and we have a D minor, C and a G, that repeats as well. For the strumming we have C, down, 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 up, into the F, down, down, up. So down, 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 F, down, down, up, and to C for a full bar, down, 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 down. This rhythm's going to stay pretty much constant throughout the song. Anytime we have a passing chord we'll be using down, down, up, and anytime we sit on the chord for a long time we'll be using the down, 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 up strumming. So C, down, 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 F, down, up, C, down, 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 and repeat C, F, C. We then go to a bar of 2/4 where we go D, down, down, up, C, down, down, up, straight to a G, down, 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 and repeat. So the D minor, C, G, and that's the verse. So C, F, C, repeat, C, F, C, D, C, G, D minor, C, G. For the chorus we start off on an A minor, going to an F, then a C, using the same rhythm as we did for the verse. We're just swapping that first C for an A minor chord really. So A minor, down, 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 F, down, up, C, down, 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 down. Then go to A minor again, down, 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 up, to the F, down, down, up, and a C, down, down, up, and to a G here. So down, 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 down. And that's the first half of the chorus. A minor, F, C, A minor, F, C, G. For the second half of the chorus, we start off on the A minor again, got down, 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 F, down, down, C, down, 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 full bar of G, strum an F, single strum there, let that ring out for 2 beats before we go to the C, F, C. So the first kind of loop from the verse there to finish the chorus. So the whole chorus we have A minor, F, C, A minor, F, C and G, A minor, F to a C full bar, G, F and C. For the bridge section we use the same chords, we just alter the pattern of the playing. So C, F to a C, then A minor, F, C, then we go D minor, C to G, repeat that, D minor, C to G. Okay, that's the bridge, so C, F to a C, A minor, F to a C for a full bar, D minor, C and G, D minor, C and G. Straight after the bridge we go into a section where we just strum the chords once. We strum C, F, C, A minor, F, C, G, then A minor, F, C, G, and then the F. The very ending to the song is also slightly different. We go through the chorus as normal, but when we get to the G chord, we just sit on the G chord for 3 bars. Finish it off. off with a strum of F and a strum of C. So it's quite difficult to remember the pattern of the chords in this song, so I've made a free PDF tab of the song for you. It's available for free on my website if you check the link in the description. Good luck, happy practicing, and take care.